Ngonyaka ka-2019 uKhilani Hendricks zange aqhubeka kuhle kwiziphumo zakhe zebanga le-10. Wagqiba ukuba makaphucule iziphumo zakhe kulo nyaka odlulileyo. Kodwa yena nto ayikhumbula kakhulu kukuya egaraji ezinzulwini zobusuku eyokhangela igama lakhe ephepheni. Uthi Luvuyo alinqinela wonke umfundi webanga le-10.
Then it was quite exciting to know that after a hard year or a long year of hard work and dedication, it was quite exciting to know that you're going to get your results published.
Kodwa ayinguye wonke umuntu ovumelana nesi sigqibo.
I feel that a little disappointed because everyone was looking. It was the type of a tradition that when you get your results in the newspaper, because everyone is excited.
It's more convenient because from stories I've heard, children go as far as ending their own lives because they feel embarrassed. Everyone will know and everyone's going to see their results. So now they have a choice whether they want to disclose that information with others.
Ingcali kwezemfundo ithi esi sibhengezo ngesisiswe kudala ukuze abafundi bonyaka 2021 bakwazi uzilungiselela.
I would say it's the right to knowledge, and there we need a huge debate on television about who's actually the owner of this knowledge, because I feel it's an investment in human capital and the taxpayer invests in the future of their country.
Kukho inkxalabo yokuba esi sigqibo singabachaphazelanga njani abo bashishina ngokuthengisa amaphepha.
There's no doubt, I think, that this will have a very negative impact on the newspapers. I mean, I know that many of them were always used this as a way of, getting in extra advertising revenue.
Iziphumo zebanga le-10 zakuphuma ngomhla we-21 kuJanuwari. Ndingulerato Fekisi kwindaba ze-SABC eGqeberha.
Yehlukene nembono yababukeli ngalolu daba.
Mina ngibona umbono omuhle kakhulu ukuthi imiphumela ka-matric ingabisaphuma amaphephandabeni, because ziningi izinto ezenzakalayo if umuntu ethola ukuthi akekho ephephandabeni and sekubona abantu abaningi ukuthi akaphasanga umatric, abanye bayilengisa.
Siyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uhulumeni useze wayibona lento ukuthi yayikade vele i-wrong kwasekuqaleni ukuthi asebenzise i-media ukuthi akhiphe ama-results ey'ngane. Ya kwelinye isayidi it's encouraging, kodwa kwelinye isayidi futhi kubi.
Mina msasazi iyangidida lento ukuthi ngampela kanjani, ngoba phela thina njengabafundi asize sicele umuntu ukuthi sicele ukuthi imiphumela yethu ingapublishwa kwabezindaba.
Ngiyabeza uma bethi imiphumela ngesaphuma ephepheni, kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi lokho bekulinyusa izinga lokuphasa kwabafundi. Yabona kusukela manje ngiyakutshela msazi lizokwehla izinga lokuphasa.
Kuhle kakhulu ukuthi ama-results angasaphuma ephepheni, because lento yokuphuma kwama-results emaphepheni ingane ziyaphenikha kakhulu ukuthi ukuthi abayise bayazibulala.
Imiphumela kaMatriculation izokhishwa mhla zingama-21 kwephezulu kanti isizotholakala ey'koleni.